Welcome to Canvas Online Discussions, Design Strategies and Essentials. In this portion, we will be discussing editing and replying to a discussion. Opening a discussion allows for us to do several things, such as edit the item, add a rubric to the item, reply to the item, mark all responses as read, and a few other options that we discussed when talking about the index page. Selecting the options kebab or icon, I can see such as sharing the discussion with another instructor, copying the discussion to another course, sharing to the Commons, closing the discussion for comment, and deleting the discussion altogether. By selecting the pencil icon, I can edit the discussion. This is where I can update the title, prompt, and options discussed while creating the discussion. From the options kebab, I can add a rubric. Now, it is important to note here that you can only add a rubric to a discussion that is marked as a graded discussion. From the menu, you will see Add Rubric. From here, you can create a rubric within the pop-up, or you can find a rubric that you've already created. I'm going to go ahead and attach a rubric that I've already created by selecting Find a Rubric, finding the course that I've made the rubric within, looking within the center panel for the rubric that I want to attach, double checking on the right that it is correct, and selecting Use this rubric. Now, once I've done that, it is important to select the Edit Rubric button, because this opens some additional options for you in terms of utilizing your rubric for the course. Most importantly here, if I want to use this rubric for grading, I will select Use this rubric for assignment grading. For more information on rubrics, please check out our Assignments and Assessments workshop located within our Self-Paced Canvas Workshops Canvas course. Once you have updated your rubric to be what you want it to be, select Update Rubric, and it is attached. Another thing you can do within this opened discussion window is you can reply to a discussion. By selecting where there is an arrow and it says Reply, you can utilize the Rich Content Editor to respond directly to student commentary for this particular discussion prompt. Now, keep in mind that if you want the commentary made on each post to appear threaded, you must enable threaded replies within the discussion options when initially creating the discussion. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.